So in this tutorial, I will showcase how you can export your well-optimized written article in Writecream SEO editor, how you can export that article to your WordPress website, or also how you can import any of your existing articles from your WordPress website to the SEO content editor so you can optimize that content for the better SEO performance. So once you are done with writing the article, and you want to export that article and publish to your WordPress website. So for that, first you need to have a application password. So to create application password, we'll go to the WordPress website, and here I will showcase how you can add a new user and create application password. You can also create application password for your existing users as well. So first I will create a new user. So here's an important note that you need to keep in mind that the user account you're creating or using any existing user should have at least author permission so that user can publish the article to WordPress, because any subscriber role will not work. Either author role, administrator role, or editor role will be good to go. So I had assigned the author role to this user account and will click on add user. So once the user is added, I will edit the user. And if you having a user any existing user you want to edit, you can edit that user in the same process that I am doing now. So here you can scroll to down where it says application passwords. Give any name to the application password. So I will just type Writecream SEO editor and click on add application password. Once the password is created, just copy that and copy your site URL as well. And after that, come back to the Writecream and click on editor menu. From here, you can click on under the import export option, click on WordPress, add your WordPress website URL, your username, and the application password that you had copied. And from the content type, you can either click on new post type, what type of content you want. It's a new post, new page. Or if you want to update any existing content type, you can choose that. And from here, post or page ID that you can get from the WordPress, you can enter here. So for this, I will select the new post. And the publication status, you want to publish immediately, save as draft, or pending review. So I will click on publish immediately. Article title that you can edit. You can fetch all the images and featured image. If you want to upload any custom images, you can click here, or you can select from any available stock images and just click on set as hero and click on publish to WordPress. So after doing that, your article is published to the WordPress. You can confirm that by going to your WordPress website under all post section. So here T versus copy, the article that we had published. You can just click on view to check out that article. So here is the featured image that I had selected, the images that article has, and the whole article, the links that internal or external links that you had added while editing your article, that also came up here. So your full free SEO optimized article is simply exported to the WordPress website and published also. So this was my article. Now, if you want to import any article from your WordPress website to Writecream's SEO editor, just go back to the content researcher and click here new research. Provide any topic that you want. I will do TN copy and click on start. So it will start the SERP analysis. So once the analyze process is done, you can either click on write new document. Yeah, you need to click on write a new document because you are importing your existing article from WordPress. So just click on this. Once done, click on editor menu, go to import export options, select WordPress, click on import from WordPress tab, and here you can add your WordPress site URL, username and the application password, and just click on fetch content, and you can select your post type which you want to import. So I will just click on this one and click on import content. Once done, all of your content will be imported in the editor. Now you are ready to go to edit your article and start optimizing it. So that's all is the process of importing and exporting your content to WordPress and from WordPress.